Hey guys, it's okay. And today we're diving deep into a life-changing goal saving $10,000 in just 1 year. You might be thinking, 10 grand? That's impossible. But trust me, it's totally doable, even if you're starting from zero. Saving this much money isn't about deprivation. It's about building a solid foundation for your future. Imagine having a safety net for emergencies, a down payment on a house, or the freedom to pursue your dream career. That's the power of saving. In this video, I'm breaking down this seemingly daunting goal into bite-sized, actionable steps. We'll cover everything from budgeting basics to side hustles so you can start building real wealth, $1 at a time. Let's get started. First things first, we need to talk about budgeting. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial freedom. Without a clear understanding of where your money is going, it's impossible to make informed decisions about your finances. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. In fact, once you get the hang of it, budgeting can be quite empowering. It gives you a sense of control and clarity over your financial situation. Start by tracking your expenses for a month. This will give you a clear picture of your spending habits. You might be surprised to see where your money is actually going. Use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even just a notebook. The method doesn't matter as much as the consistency. The key is to be diligent and honest with your tracking. Once you see where your money's going, you can identify areas to cut back. Maybe it's those daily coffees, or perhaps it's a subscription service you rarely use. Trust me, you'll be surprised how much those daily coffees add up. Small expenses can accumulate over time, making a significant dent in your budget.
Next, create a realistic budget that aligns with your income and expenses. This means being honest about your spending habits and making adjustments where necessary. Be honest with yourself and prioritize your spending. Identify your needs versus your wants. This will help you allocate your resources more effectively. Remember, a budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about having a plan so you can afford the things that truly matter. It's about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. Think of it like this. A budget gives you control over your money instead of letting your money control you. It's a tool that empowers you to make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. And the best part, by sticking to a budget, you'll free up cash that you can use to crush your savings goals. Whether it's building an emergency fund, saving for a vacation, or investing for the future, a budget helps you get there faster. So, let's make it happen. Take the first step today by tracking your expenses and creating a budget. Your path to financial freedom starts now. With dedication and consistency, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve.
Now that you have a budget, let's talk about smart saving strategies. Having a budget is just the first step in taking control of your finances. The next step is to make sure you're saving in the most efficient way possible. One popular method is the 50/30/20 rule. This rule helps you allocate your income in a balanced way, ensuring that all your financial needs are met while still allowing room for savings and discretionary spending. Allocate 50% of your income to needs such as housing, utilities, and groceries. These are your essential expenses that you can't live without. Then, allocate 30% to wants. This includes dining out, entertainment, and other non-essential purchases that bring joy and comfort to your life. Finally, 20% should go to savings. This portion is crucial for building your financial future and creating a safety net for unexpected expenses. Another game changer is automating your savings. By setting up automatic transfers, you ensure that a portion of your income goes directly into your savings account each month without you having to think about it. You won't even miss the money. Automating your savings makes the process effortless and helps you stay consistent with your saving goals.
Consider using a high-yield savings account. These accounts offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, which means your money can grow faster over time. By earning more interest, your savings will accumulate more quickly, helping you reach your financial goals sooner. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar working for you, earning interest and building your financial future. The more you save, the more your money can work for you. Don't underestimate the power of compound interest. Compound interest allows your savings to grow exponentially over time, as you earn interest on both your initial savings and the interest that has already been added. Over time, even small amounts saved consistently can grow exponentially. The key is to start saving as early as possible and to be consistent with your contributions. Think of it like a snowball effect. As you continue to save, your savings will grow larger and larger, just like a snowball rolling down a hill. The earlier you start, the bigger your savings snowball will become. Starting early gives your money more time to grow and take advantage of compound interest. So start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings soar. Even if you can only save a little bit each month, it will add up over time and help you build a strong financial foundation.
Want to supercharge your savings? It's time to explore the world of side hustles. There are tons of ways to make extra money in your spare time. Think about your skills and interests. Can you freelance, drive for a ride-sharing service, or sell handmade crafts online? Don't be afraid to get creative.
The gig economy is booming, and there are endless opportunities to earn extra cash. Remember, every extra dollar you earn from your side hustle is another dollar you can put towards your $10,000 goal. Plus, starting a side hustle can teach you valuable skills, boost your resume, and even turn into a full-time income stream. So what are you waiting for? Turn your passions into profits and watch your savings skyrocket.
Chapter 4.
Let's face it, we all have areas where we can cut back on spending. Dining out too often? Try cooking more meals at home. Subscribe to a bunch of streaming services you barely use? Pick one or two favorites and cancel the rest.
Impulse purchases can really drain your bank account. Before you buy something, ask yourself if you really need it. Remember, small changes can make a big difference.
Cutting back on even a few unnecessary expenses each month can free up hundreds of dollars for savings. Challenge yourself to find creative ways to save money. Pack your lunch, negotiate lower bills, and take advantage of free entertainment options.
Think of it like a game. How much money can you save each month by being mindful of your spending? Remember, every dollar you save is a victory. Chapter 5. Your Journey to Financial Success. Staying motivated. Your journey to financial success. This chapter is all about keeping your spirits high and your motivation strong as you work towards your financial goals. Saving $10,000 in a year is a marathon, not a sprint. Just like a marathon, it requires endurance, patience, and a well-thought-out plan. You need to pace yourself and stay consistent. Here's how to stay motivated along the way. First, immerse yourself in motivational content. Listen to podcasts, read books, or attend seminars that inspire you and keep you focused on your goal. Break down your big goal into smaller, more manageable milestones. For example, if your goal is to save $10,000, break it down into monthly or even weekly savings targets. This makes the goal less daunting and more achievable. Celebrate your progress as you achieve each one. Reward yourself for hitting these smaller milestones. It could be something simple, like a nice meal or a small treat. Celebrating these wins keeps you motivated and acknowledges your hard work. Track your savings visually. Use tools like a savings jar, a progress chart, or a financial goal tracker. Seeing your progress in a tangible form can be incredibly motivating. Use a progress bar, a chart, or even a jar where you can physically see your money growing. This visual representation of your progress can serve as a constant reminder of how far you've come and how close you are to your goal. Find an accountability partner. This could be a friend, family member, or even a financial advisor. Having someone to share your progress with can provide additional motivation and support. Share your goal with a friend, family member, or financial advisor who can offer support and encouragement. They can help keep you on track and provide valuable advice when needed. Remember, there will be setbacks and temptations along the way. It's important to acknowledge these challenges and prepare for them. Have a plan in place for how you'll handle setbacks without losing sight of your goal. Don't let them derail your progress. Stay focused on your long-term goal and remind yourself why you started this journey in the first place. Focus on the positive changes you're making in your life. Reflect on how your financial habits are improving and the benefits you're experiencing as a result. Imagine the financial freedom and security you're building for yourself. Visualize the peace of mind that comes with having a solid financial foundation. You've got this. Believe in your ability to achieve your financial goals. Confidence and a positive mindset are key to staying motivated. Stay committed, stay focused, and you will achieve your savings goal. Keep your vision clear, use the tools and strategies we've discussed, and remember that every step you take brings you closer to financial success.
Chapter 6.
Real people, real results, $10,000 success stories.
Don't just take my word for it.
Let's hear from real people who have successfully saved $10,000 in a year. Chapter 7. Your $10,000 journey starts today. So there you have it. Everything you need to know to save $10,000 in a year. Remember, it all starts with a budget, smart saving strategies, and a willingness to hustle. Don't be afraid to get creative, cut back on unnecessary expenses, and find ways to boost your income. I know you can do this. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow. Your future self will thank you. Outro, you got this. So there you have it. Saving $10,000 in a year is totally doable. I've shown you the exact steps, and now it's up to you to take action. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making smart choices consistently over time. Imagine the feeling of financial security, knowing you have that safety net. Imagine the opportunities it unlocks, investing, starting a business, or simply having peace of mind. That's the power of saving, and it's within your reach. Hit that subscribe button for more financial tips, and I'll see you in the next video.